Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you some things that I've been doing for the hashtag 100-day project. This is a challenge for yourself that started, I believe, February, sometime mid-February, and it runs for 100 days. So probably sometime in May it will finish. And for my 100 days, I decided to take some books that I have and start doing some techniques or tutorials. I have some books that I purchased a while ago and never done anything with them. I might have read through them, but just never did any of the techniques. So whether that's a cookbook, watercolor, drawing, sewing, anything like that, jewelry making, I just haven't done anything with those books. So in this particular video, I wanted to show you what I've been doing with some watercolor. So this is a sketchbook. It's just an inexpensive sketchbook I bought at Hobby Lobby. It's their brand. And this is the book that I've started. This is a brand new sketchbook. I never put the dates on here, but I decided for this particular one, I wanted to put 2024, and hopefully I finish it this year. And I think I will if I were to follow everything in this particular book anyway, because there's 150 skill building projects to paint. And so I've been using this book to outline my projects. I've been using these watercolor pencils. I don't like to use regular pencil. I like to use watercolor pencils. That's just me. I don't like to have that graphite showing underneath. So, and I'll show you what I mean. And then as far for the paints themselves, I've been using these watercolor half pan sets, also the Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. They had been on clearance or sale, so I've been using that. So for example, so this book is by Marina Bakasova, and I bought it again a few years ago, probably from Amazon, I believe. So here are some projects, and I started from the very first one, so from the lemon, and I think I am at this dragon fruit. I haven't finished it yet, but what I like about it is that it gives you the 4 steps. So I've drawn out these 2, but I have not completed them yet or put the paint down. So for example, I'll show you here. So here's the lemon, and here's the orange, and then here's the date that I put on there. And I don't follow the exact, the exact drawing. So see, for example, here in the book, it has the lemon facing that way. I wanted to put 2 lemons. An orange is an orange, so. And then I really like the way that these melons and the coconut turned out. So here, for example, is the melon and the watermelon. So there's mine. And again, I put a shadow. So it's a little bit different. I like the coconut. I probably could have put a little bit darker in there, and then I did the blueberries. The blueberries, so-so. The pomegranate. Took me a while, I think, because I wanted to put some shadows in there, so I probably should put a little bit more red, but not too bad. So I'm just going to put that book away. So then this was a pear. I like the way that turned out. These were peaches. So again, I just took some tips, but I did my own thing. So for example, let's see where that. So see, this is how they show the peach in the book, but I put my own shadows, and I put another one, the same thing with the plums. And I tried to do like this spread. I did all in one day. I would try with the pencils to outline them in that particular color or the closest color, and then I would go ahead and paint them in. So that's that one. Then this was a kiwi. a mango, and a banana. This kind of reminds me like a, I don't know, probably not too much as a kiwi for on the outside there. This green apple also took me a while because I kept on playing with the colors. So I like the way this top section came out, not so much maybe this one. This looks more, a little bit three-dimensional as opposed to the bottom. This was a lime. I like how that turned out. And this is a lychee. I don't know, I've never tried that, never seen one in person. And so what this helps me out too is, you know, I can take apples or mango and then from life try to paint them. And then these are cherries, and this is a flat peach. I actually like this one. And then I am here at the strawberries, and this is dragon fruit. So as you can see, hopefully, how I do the outline with the watercolor pencils. And then I'll take the paint and paint them in. So this is what I did for tonight. So probably tomorrow I'll go ahead and start painting this. So yeah, so this is it for the watercolor portion. I've done some drawings, and that's in a separate sketchbook. So I'll show that in another video, separate video, but I'm enjoying especially the watercolor, and I'll probably take this book tomorrow at work so that on my lunch break I can work a little bit on it. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you are participating in the 100-day challenge. Again, it's really just for yourself, maybe just for 100 days to do something. So whether you're focusing on one particular thing, maybe it's creating every day, maybe it's gardening every day, maybe it's playing the guitar or musical instruments, whatever it is for that continues 100 days. So again, this is for my watercolor, and I really like this book. It's Watercolor Success in 4 Steps, 150 Building Projects to Paint by Marina Bakasova. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.